लेकर आया है डाइबिफिन, जिसमें मौजूद है सीबकथॉर्न। सीबकथॉर्न एक ऐसा पहाड़ी फल है जिसमें एक ही साथ कई न्यूट्रिएंट्स मौजूद हैं। विटामिन ए, B1, B2, C, E, K, ओमेगा 3, 6, 9
और लेकर आए हैं इजी आर्थ्रो। ये आर्थराइटिस का सिर्फ इलाज ही नहीं करता, बल्कि इसे होने से भी रोकता है और जोड़ों में बने यूरिक एसिड को नेचुरली क्लियर करता है। दर्द और स्टिफनेस को दूर करने के साथ साथ ये
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest has arrived, so may I have a big round of applause for him. Thank you so much. He's straight from Visakhapatnam to here. So a big round of applause for him once again. Thank you. Now, we are moving forward to do the honor to our dignitaries. I request Shri D.K. Mittal to come on the stage to do the honor of our chief guest, Honorable Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste, Union Minister of State for Health and Family Affairs. So, may I request Shri D.K. Mittal to come on the stage and do the honor? A big round of applause for both of them. Thank you so much, Shri D.K. Mittal ji. Now I request Poojan Mittal and Ravi Mittal to do the honor of Padma Shri Professor Dr. P.R. Goyal, Physician to the President of India, to come on this stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Poojan Mittal and Mr. Ravi Mittal to honoring Padma Shri Professor Dr. P.R. Goyal. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Now moving forward to Mr. Satish Mittal to do the honor for Professor Dr. A.C. Varshni, former Vice Chancellor. Dr. A.C. Varshni, a big round of applause for all of them. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Now moving forward to Mr. Varun Mittal to do the honor of Dr. M.R. Rahman, former Parliament Secretary. A big round of applause for Mr. Varun Mittal and Mr. M.R. Rahman. Now, at last, I request Mr. Ashok Jain to do the honor of Shri Nilesh Shukla ji, IAS, Resident Commission, Gujarat. A big round of applause for both of them. Thank you so much to our dignitaries, to our guests for joining us today. Now, I request to call the youngest member of the promoter's family and the dynamic girl to give the welcome speech. So I would like to call upon Ms. Aanchal on the stage to mark the beginning of the event. So let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
A very good evening to everyone present here. On behalf of Prima Nature Care and all our associates, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a hearty welcome to all the honorable dignitaries, eminent doctors, distinguished guests, and of course our friends from the media. Today is a historic day in the journey of the evolution of Seabuck-Thorne-based phytomedicines. Phytomedicines adapt to a recent worldwide growth in scientific information on plant drugs and their effective and safe use. The methods used to evaluate plant-based medicines are similar to those used by orthodox medicine. Yet, A plant or a herb contains many active chemicals, unlike conventional drugs, which focus on specific chemicals. Hence, botanical or herbal medicines may combine several actions to support the body's health and lead to overall wellness. Sea buckthorn fruit, you all know, is a wonder plant, storehouse of a large number of vitamins and nutrients, likened to the Sanjeevani booty that finds a mention in the Ramayana. The goodness of this nature's gift to mankind has fascinated the medical and scientific communities for many decades now, and relentless research at national and international level has led to the patented formulation of the sea buckthorn based phytomedicines. Honorable Union Minister of State Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste ji is going to launch today. Honorable Minister Sir has, despite his extremely busy and tight schedule, consented to be the chief guest for the occasion. We are truly honored. Our guest of honor, Padma Shri Dr. P.R. Goyal, who as physician to the President of India heads the medical team entrusted with the help of visiting dignitaries at the national level, as well as has also been extremely kind to be with us despite his jam-packed schedule. We could not have asked for more. We are greatly encouraged to have amongst us Dr. A.C. Varshney, former Vice Chancellor, who has also been engaged in the research on sea buckthorn for wound healing and gastric ulcers, and presented many papers at many international forums. We are elated to have the good wishes of Honorable Ministers of Parliament, Shri Mansukh D. Vasava and Shri Ram Sinha Rathwa, who due to sudden work in the constituency could not be present for the occasion. We also have amongst us Dr. M. Rahman, former Parliament Secretary and Principal Secretary, an avid sea buckthorn lover, who is conversant with sea buckthorn since 1984 as Deputy Commissioner Leh. We are truly honored with the presence of Shri Nilesh Shukla, IAS, Resident Commissioner Gujarat, who has taken time off his really hectic schedule to bless us in the endeavor to walk towards holistic wellness. Among our dignitaries, we also have Dr. D.K. Sharma, Medical Superintendent, AIIMS. Sir, we are truly honored by your inspiring presence. Heartiest welcome to all our distinguished guests. A special welcome to the leading doctors and therapists who, despite a very short notice, have been extremely generous to be with us on the launch of the first ever phytomedicines based on sea buckthorn. We honestly hope and believe that these phytomedicines shall act as a health and well-being catalyst for the humanity. Last but not the least, sincere thanks and appreciation to our friends from the press and electronic media who have preferred this mankind-friendly event over the normal run of the mill events for coverage in the respective newspapers and TV channels. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rejoice the moment that has been made possible due to the prompting of our former President and Bharat Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and the heroic efforts of our scientific community, as well as the hard work put in by Shri Devendra Kumar Mittal, Chairman, Prima Nature Care, and Shri Ashok Jain, a project advisor over so many years. I do hope you shall all enjoy and cherish today's event as they unfold. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ajal, for such an encouraging speech. Thank you so much. Now, I request the project advisor of Prima Nature Care and Managing Director, Vibrant Project Consultant Private Limited, associated with the sea buckthorn processing and scenario planning since 2002. Recipient of National Award from Department of Science and Technology for sea buckthorn processing plant. Presented technical papers of sea buckthorn processing in India, Germany and China. Also worked with FAO of the United Nations as International Consultant Oil Crop Processing. So, let's welcome Mr. Ashok Jain with a big round of applause to make a presentation on first ever Seebuckthon Days Phytomedicines by Prima Nature Care. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my proud privilege to welcome all of you on today's historic occasion, that is the launch of first ever Seebuckthon based phytomedicines. This work has been presented by Prima Nature Care, but I must say a large number of scientists, large number of technocrats, large number of farmers, large number of people have worked for this, and because of the combined efforts of all of them, today's day has become possible. I will start with a small introduction about the company. Prima Nature Care is a healthcare unit of Devon Metals, and the promoters have a hands-on experience on Seebuckthon processing, marketing, and developing of the products, and very closely associated with the scientific community for the last, I would say, more than 20 years. And the proposed phytomedicines are backed by worldwide patents, and those patents are valid in USA, Germany, Italy, France, and Australia as well. About the Seebuckthon, you all must have, since you have come to this program, you might have gone to Google and tried to find out what Seebuckthon is all about. You can call it a wonderberry or miracle berry. Some people call it Sanjeevani booty. Now, this grows wild in India, fully organic, and in Ladakh region alone, we have close to 75,000 tons of wild cultivation. It grows in very difficult locations, in cold deserts. Cold deserts implies temperatures as low as -30, -35 degrees, and rainfall seldom, maybe once or twice in a year, half an inch, 1 inch, not more than this. And that is why it poses a lot of challenges in terms of harvesting, storage, post-harvest handling, processing, and preventing the fermentation. So all these things have to be done very carefully, and the terrain where it is to be done is very difficult. This particular fruit is a storehouse of vitamins. Probably no other known substance in the world has such high amount of vitamins, nutrients, trace metals, antioxidants, and many other useful molecules. Vitamin A, B1, B2, C, E, K, beta carotene. Then omega-3, we talk about omega-6, very good, but it has omega-9 also, and in sufficiently large quantity. Antioxidants, phenols, terpenes, glucosides, plant sterols, and trace elements. All, you talk about anything good for health, it is there in Seebuckthon. It is eminently suited to processing, despite being a unstable fruit. It will ferment within 3-4 hours, but if you handle it well, it gives you far too many things. The end uses include food applications, medicines, wellness supplements, then within the wellness supplements, antioxidants, anti-aging, memory enhancer, stress reliever, and especially the cold stress reliever. No other substance we have which is known for its efficacy for cold stress handling. Then cosmetics, nitrogen fixing in soil. These are the number of uses, and a lot of work has been done, a lot of work is going on, and a lot of work will be done in the future. But I believe out of all these, medical applications will be enormous, and they will be really do good to the entire mankind. Now, I just want to quote before you what Bharat